Reviewing makeup products with a simple yes or no. Yes, 100%. Definitely no. An old favorite, but yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, thank you. A little expensive, but yes.
Showing you products that suck and giving you my favorite alternatives, part 2. I think Truly focused too much on presentation and not their formula. This stuff is not good. It's hard to get out of the container and it doesn't moisturize. Instead, try the Soap and Glory lotion. This smells amazing and doesn't leave you sticky. I love the It Cosmetics CC cream. It makes you look flawless and that SPF is amazing, but the perfect dupe is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. It's completely similar in texture. I would just say a little less coverage. Skip the NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer and instead try the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is perfect for people with dry skin. It's amazing coverage. It just makes you look so glowy. It lasts forever.
Get ready to screenshot my favorite Maybelline products. These are under $8 and they will give you the best lashes of your life. These lipsticks can go head to head with my MAC and my Urban Decay. They are bold, pigmented, and they're less than half the price. The Fit Me foundation stick is perfect if you're on the go. Simply blend it in with your fingers for a natural look. The Lancome La Bosse primer is $45. This is an exact dupe, perfect for a blurred effect. Let's be real, Maybelline has some of the best drugstore products. Comment down below your favorite Maybelline product. Love you lots!
I'm going to tell you what products are worth it just with a simple yes or no. Yes, oh my fucking God, yes. No. Yes, but you already knew that. Fucking no. No, unless you really want your face to smell like fake strawberry. Yes, 1000%. If I'm deserted on an island, this is the one product I would take with me.
No.
Yes, the best.
No.
Yes, and I'm someone who was like swore by makeup removing wipes. This has totally replaced. Yes, and honestly, anything by Murad is amazing. No times 7,000 unless you like watery see-through liner. Yes, if you are into bold, bright, easy application of color. No, absolutely trash. Yes, amazing replacement.